Hi, my name is Jack. I'm working for Solano RCD, and we are out here today on behalf of the Boater Outreach Program. If you participate in our Boater Education Program, you can receive a free boater kit, and inside it we got an oil-absorbent bilge pad that will go in the bilge to keep the oil from getting in the water from your boat. We also have a non-spill fueling bib, which you can use when you're filling up at a marina to help keep gasoline from getting in the water. We have a couple coupons here. One's for West Marine. We got some pamphlets and laws about environmental boating. We also got some more information here that talks about preventative engine maintenance, bilge care, and preventing oil spills. So we're out here because Lake Berryessa is a source of clean drinking water for over 500,000 Solano County residents. And we want to be able to do our best to keep the water oil-free and free of invasive species. So you can find us on the shores of Lake Berryessa, Sandy Beach, and the Delta Marina, as well as the boat launch in Suisun City. So as a part of your 2020 boater kit, you will get this bilge pad here. And it is a pillow that is made of hydrophobic material that actually repels water but absorbs oil. So you'll be placing this inside the bilge of your boat with this reusable zip tie here, and it'll soak up the oil out of the bilge so it does not get into Lake Berryessa or any of the other places that we'll be stationed at this summer. So you can go ahead and pick up your new bilge pad in this blue container here, and then at the end of the season when it's full of oil, you can go ahead and dispose of it in this red used bilge pad container. For more information, go ahead and check us out at solanorcd.org, and remember to always be clean and green when boating.